One of the simplest and most basic pieces of equipment, the mask, makes diving possible and allows divers to see the underwater world. Today's mask straps and skirts are made of silicone. Silicone is a two-part material. One part of the silicone contains a hardening agent that causes a chemical reaction, hardening the silicone. It arrives at the factory by the bucket load in clear, silver, and black. A pressure pump moves the silicone from the bucket to the injection molding machine. Just before the press injects the silicone into the mold, a mixer combines the two parts. Workers inject the silicone mixture into the mold and then cure it between 165 and 170 degrees Celsius, 330 and 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 seconds. Throughout the process, machine operators look for defects in the products while they remove the waste materials. Polycarbonate plastic used in mask frames and lens retainers comes in hard pellets. The process melts the resin pellets and uses pressure to inject the molten plastic resin into the lens retainer mold. In the final assembly, these rings will snap into the frame and hold the glass lenses in place. To give the plastic color, manufacturers add a small amount of dye powder to the resin pellets. As little as 7 or 8 grams of dye powder can color 25 kilograms, 55 pounds of plastic. Enough to make 500 to 600 mask frames. Mask frames come in a wide assortment of colors, but are generally produced only in colors the public demands. A press with a different mold forms the colored plastic into the shape of the mask frame. Workers remove the sprue and runners from the molded plastic frame. This is the excess material left in the mold channels after curing. Workers silkscreen company logos in place. The tempered pre-cut glass lenses come directly from Taiwan. And all of the pieces come together. The mask assembler makes a final inspection to ensure that all of the parts are flawless. Test the mask for air leaks. And ships it out to dive retailers.